we go in and get the stage 2 tune flashed on the car. You guys killed it on the last video with, you know, the comments, the questions. That makes me so happy. Yeah, I'm heading right now to RaceIQ to go get this tune done. I currently have a check engine light, obviously, because of the, you know, the O2 sensors. But you know, the tune should take care of that. Ooh, he already pulled up before me. Oh, it's looking clean. Jeez, it's been a while since I've seen him. Golly, that's a clean. What's up, dude?
It's been a while.
Dude, it's been forever.
It has been forever, man.
Dude, how have you been?
I've been good. How about you?
Dude, not bad at all. Just
we got a lot to talk about.
okay. Definitely for sure. After we get this tune done.
Oh yeah. So we gotta be there at 11. Right?
Yeah, my appointment is at 11.
Alright, go ahead, do the work.
Okay.
Let me hear that car.
Dude, it sounds so good. Yeah. But more of that when we're there.
Oh yeah.
Alright.
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay. Yeah, guys. I haven't given you a taste of how the car sounds. But more of that in later videos. But right now we gotta go get the tune down on the car. Tony, how's it going?
Good, how you?
Tell me that's not the E55 I saw the last time you bought.
No, that's my.
Oh, that's yours? Oh, okay, that's a customer's.
Yeah, that's a customer.
Dang. You remember Cameron, right?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
What's up?
How you doing, man?
I'm good. How's it
Good.
going with you?
All right, wonderful.
Man, it sounds amazing.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Worth it for sure.
Definitely.
What headers did you end up going with?
They're long tubes from Moscow Supercharge.
Okay.
I don't know if you know that company, but pretty much that's the only company making, you know, custom headers for, you know,
Okay.
all the AMGs and our cars as well.
Okay. Yeah.
So, but I think I sent you a picture. They've got more pictures on their site.
All right.
I can share them to you. You want to take a look at them?
Yeah. Send me some info on them, because if they
Okay.
supplying headers for those cars, I mean, I get plenty of people asking.
Asking for headers. Yeah, they make headers for the their E55s also.
Okay.
I think they've got a E55 that's running in the 9 seconds.
Mm.
Yeah, they've got some few videos on YouTube.
Okay.
But I think that's what they specialize on, the E55, the AMGs.
Good. All right.
Yeah.
Where
But what was that?
where are they out of?
They're in Russia.
Russia.
Yeah, they're in Russia. But they've got Instagram.
Okay.
Yeah.
Send me what you got, and I'll take a look at it.
Okay, cool.
All right, so we're doing just a flash update for stage 2 on that thing, right?
Yep.
Okay.
Yep, stage 2. All right, guys, we're at the shop right now. A few cars here. Got some sick CLSs here, 6355s. Let me show you guys real quick. I'm not sure whose car this is, but this thing looks amazing. Wow, those wheels are sick.
This is the car that I tried to be. Trying to make it look like mine, but
Man, I think those are Verdi wheels.
like I said, I just love how they got like just cosmetically, just, you know, black.
Yeah. I love the
trim.
I love the carbon fiber though.
Mm-hmm.
Sick. And this right here, that's CLK, right? CLK500. Oh, nice. Nice. I like the V8 badge right there.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know if you noticed, I put a V8 badge on mine.
But you put one. I was thinking about it a while ago.
You've also seen I blacked out the chrome.
Oh yeah, I did. Watch that.
It makes it look slick and more aggressive. I love it.
It's just better.
Yeah.
It's just better.
Yeah. Yeah, just that and
I don't
obviously
think I've
the
seen your car
badge.
since you've lowered it. I mean, it
Oh
just looks
yeah, you
great.
haven't seen it. That's right. Yep.
That just looks perfectly fitted.
Yeah. It's like perfect
Still need to do
fitment.
that to my car.
Lowering it.
Mhm.
Yeah.
I've just been so busy. Just
I got the shop for you.
My car, I have kind of stopped progress.
Progress on it?
Yeah.
Just taking a break from it?
Yeah.
Enjoying it?
I've been just focusing on school. That's
okay, yeah.
a really important thing.
Yeah. But yeah, this is how it sits. Obviously, I've got a.
It's just perfect. Like,
yeah.
It's amazing.
And like less body roll. So like when I go on like mountain runs, dude.
Really?
Yeah, it just hugs. It just hugs the road.
Because I really struggle
The
with
turns.
that sometimes.
Yeah.
Like going up, you'll just like kind of like yeah.
Yeah. I know you guys probably want to see the 55. I have a feeling I've seen this car before at a car meet, but I'm not exactly too sure. But yeah, this is one kind of a build. I'm not sure what they use this car for, track it, but we'll drag race it.
Are those bigger tires on the back?
Let's see.
Actually, I don't think.
So that's a 30. That's a 35. Yeah, it's the same. It's just that it's a wider tire. Alright, guys. Flashing right now. Tony's doing his magic. Yes. Alright, guys. It's getting flashed right now. So how many horses do you think I'll be adding to this?
Well, with your headers and what you got, probably 20,
20. That's what yeah.